might be sleeping, but your body isn't resting. That's the first sign your mattress has stopped doing its job. Most people wait for a tear, a dip, or a deep sag, but long before that happens, your mattress is quietly draining your energy every single night. You wake up tired, stiff, foggy, not because you slept less, but because your body was fighting for comfort all night long. By the end of this video, you will know the 5 signs your mattress is no longer serving your sleep, your energy, or your health, and exactly when to replace it before it replaces your performance. I'm Olisa, MD Winco Foam, and your Nigerian sleep coach. For years, I've helped professionals, parents, and high-performing individuals choose the right mattress that actually fits their body type and their sleep position. I've seen the mistakes that keep Nigerians sleeping on old, worn-out mattresses for years, paying for it with their health and their productivity, and sometimes even their mood. So today, I'll be breaking down these 5 signs. So let's get into it. Number 1, time in bed is not the same as time resting. Sleeping for 7 or 8 hours does not guarantee you'll wake up refreshed. When a mattress is past its lifespan, it loses the ability to keep your spine aligned and your muscles relaxed. Instead of restoring you, it keeps your body in fight mode, draining your comfort all night long. If you feel better on a friend's mattress, a hotel bed, or even on your sofa, that's a clear sign your mattress is failing you. A client of mine in Lagos had the same exact problem. Every morning, he woke up stiff and tired, fighting just to roll out of bed. He thought it was his age or maybe even stress. Then one week, he traveled to Abuja for work. After one night on the hotel bed, he woke up light, rested and completely pain-free. And yes, most times fix is that quick. 2 days later, he walked into a Winco showroom, bought the same mattress he slept on, and ended up replacing every single mattress in his house. That's how long he has been living with discomfort, without realizing it came from his mattress. You don't have to wait for a hotel miracle. If your body feels better anywhere else, that's a wake-up call. And if you want zero guesswork, Winco gives you 14 nights trial on every mattress. Sleep on it at home, and if it doesn't fit your body, you can return it, exchange it, or even get a full refund. No drama, no resistance. Because most times, the problem isn't your body, it's what's supporting your rest. Which brings us to number 2, persistent odors from sweat, spills, or mold. Most people think if I air my mattress in the sun, the UV ray will clean it. Sunlight may dry the surface, but it cannot sanitize deep inside the mattress. Nigeria is a hot and humid place, and if you're the kind of person that eats while lying in bed, sweat, food crumbs, and spilled beans all soak deep into the mattress. Over time, that hidden material, mold, odors that no sunlight can reach. And what starts as invincible slowly turns your bed into an unhygienic sleep space. If deep cleaning can't remove the smell, it's not just dirt, it's actually expired. Even if it smells fine, which is most likely not going to be the case, it may already be harboring germs and compromise your sleep hygiene. And once your mattress reaches that point, the only real solution is replacement. Because when your bed stops being clean, it stops being safe. Let's get to number 3. Sagging and dips don't just make your mattress uncomfortable, they retrain your spine every night. A small sag might look harmless, but over time, it pulls your body out of alignment. Here's what really happens. Your hip sinks deeper, your shoulders lift higher, and for 6 to 8 hours, your posture stays twisted. Night after night, your muscles adapt to that distortion. That's when you wake up with back pains, neck stiffness, or even tension headache. Let's try something practical. Lie flat in the middle of your mattress for say 30 seconds, then get up quickly and watch or ask someone to watch for you. If it takes more than 2 seconds to bounce back into the original position, that's your sign. If it doesn't rise back fast, it means the foam inner cells have all weakened, and your mattress can no longer carry your body evenly anymore. That slow recovery means your support system is failing. Not because your body changed, but because the foundation has lost its strength. And when your mattress stops doing its job, your spine starts doing the work. That's when pain begins. A healthy spine needs a level surface, not a tired one. Because every night you ignore that beat, your back pays the price in the morning. Now, moving on to number 4. More people, more pressure. If your life has changed, your bed must change too. A new marriage, kids joining you in bed, or a restless partner. All add weights, movement, and heat. That 6x4 mattress you used to use alone during your single days. It could break down faster under 2 adults. Your mattress may have been designed for one sleeper, not the family night of floating, funning, and sharing. And when the surface starts to dip or heat builds up, nobody gets a deep rest. It's like using a small dining table for a family of 6. Everything feels cramped and sometimes falls off. Your body needs room to rest, not wrestling for space. If you share your bed but still use a single life size, time to upgrade both the size and the support. Because even the strongest mattress would fail if the pressure keeps increasing. That's why at Winco, we build the largest model with zone supports and high resilient foam, engineered to handle shared weights, absorb movement, and keep every sleeper aligned. It's not just like a big mattress, it's a smarter foundation for better sleep. It evolves with your life. When your world expands, your rest should expand with it. Finally, number 5, dust mites, allergens, and bacteria may be the real reason you wake up congested. Mattress dirt isn't just on the surface, it goes much deeper. Think of your mattress like a sponge. Every night, it absorbs sweat, dust mites, and air particles. Over time, what you can't see becomes what you breathe. Between year 5 and 7, a single mattress can hold up to 10 million dust mites. Such can trigger morning congestion, sneezing, or fatigue, especially in Nigerian's humid, dusty city. If you wake up congested but feel clearer during the day, your mattress would be the trigger. Here's a quick recap. You wake up tired, your mattress isn't restoring you. Lingering smells means deeper contamination. Sagging kills alignment in your back. More slippers means more wear and tear. Upsize and upgrade. And hidden dust mites can turn your bed into a healthy hazard. If 2 or more of these signs are true, start planning your replacement now. And if you're not sure where to start, use the Winco tips here. I'll drop it down so you can download it from my description. It helps you match the right firmness to your body type, so you never waste money on the wrong mattress again.